Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Bola Kolosore is the president 17 years ago, 2007, some of us in the Southwest, organized by Alhaji Hamza, then our leader in the Southwest, we organized lunch with restaurant one in Kingswood Road. At that meeting, I'm happy to see Otumba Adebisu Olusi Tenwoyi was a councillor under Olo before independence under Olo Owanjoku. If the Emir decide that Bola should now move from Lagos 2007, 17 years ago, and move out to the national to leave from state politicking to national politics. That's the Jawale ti pe àwa Yorùbá la ránṣẹ́ adẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ pé he is the first progressive to be president of this country. Gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ìjọba òbí kíkọ́ni wa afọwọ́ṣe fọwọ́wọ́ òde kó ṣe púpọ̀ ní wọ́n tàwọn ọdún afọwọ́ṣe fún MK Abiola. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ pé gbogbo apádọ́ pátọ́ wọ́n pa dẹ́dẹ́ sí wa lára Abiola ò débẹ̀. Bọ́lá Tinubu tó débẹ̀ sí ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ fẹ́ yín àdéhùn tó wò ní ẹni ká fi oṣù ká fi para wọ́n yóò bá. Afẹ́ akọ̀ ó ṣọdún mẹ́rin yìí nípa ṣọdún mẹ́rin tó kù lọ́mọdé ọlọ́run. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí, mo dúpẹ́ fún àwọn gómìnà wa that they are doing their best.